Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy Boost 700 MNVN by Adidas and Kanye West in a Phosphor colorway. These released on Friday the 24th of April 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £170. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Offspring Selfridges store and it comes in your classic brown Adidas slide out box. The style code is FY3727 and it comes wrapped in plain beige Yeezy paper without any accessories. Some neon coloured laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Just like the album Yandi, the Yeezy Boost 700 MNVN Phosphor is one of the releases I've been looking forward to since 2018. Unofficially named the 700VX, Kanye West also gifted the New York rapper Tekashi 69 a similar looking sample neon green pair, as well as sporting early prototypes on the street. One of the main design adjustments was the removal of the black strip that runs up the toe, as well as opting for a slip-on Bungee laces system over the traditional laces seen on the sample. A phosphor is a chemical compound that emits light when exposed to a light of different wavelengths. Used in many types of lighting, including fluorescent bulbs, often a deep neon green color. The MNVN is designed by Christian Tresser, known for his futuristic designs, most notably the Nike MX97 as well as the Air Zoom Spiridon. It turns out that MNVN stands for modern version, not minivan as I joked in my Yeezy 700 MNVN black review. Shameless plug, if you haven't watched that already, you better go and check that out. But back to the shoe, it's definitely a modern futuristic take to the classic 700 Wave Runner, opting for a mainly synthetic nylon upper, packed with reflective details like the large 700 3M written across the lateral mid panel. I honestly prefer the modern version, pun intended, compared to the sample for its cleaner design. Finally, I love this colorway, and I especially like the semi-translucent element, exposing the black undercase for support that we don't really see on the black pair that released a few months earlier. Size wise, these fit a little bit tight, so I recommend going up half your size to the usual 700 V1 and V2. Sorry about the lack of on feet, I'm waiting for my personal pairs to arrive from StockX. I wanted to quickly unbox this for the video. This colorway to me gets the 2 pairs minimum rating. Do you agree? Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Also comment Phosphor to show me you watched this video to the end. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe, as well as follow me on my social media links which will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.